Imagine feeling renewed and more energetic, all from a few chiropractic adjustments. Sounds amazing, right? First up, regular chiropractic adjustments can reduce pain and tension. You'll likely notice an improvement in your range of motion too. Additionally, these adjustments can strengthen your immune system, keeping you healthier overall. Let's not forget about stress reduction. Who wouldn't love feeling calmer? And the best part, it leads to better sleep quality. So why not give chiropractic care a try your body will thank you.